So we have some questions here involving some of the algebraic manipulation techniques you've learned on your GCSE course. So the first one is about expanding and simplifying. So we've got some single bracket expansions here, and what we've got to remember is that the word expand means multiply out, and simplify, shorten down. So we've got to look at what happens here. So this bracket is 3 lots of x plus 4, so that's going to be 3x plus 12. And then we've got to do 2 lots of 5x take away 1. It's positive 2 times all of these, so 2 times 5x is plus 10x, and then positive 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Just got to be careful here. Careful. We're doing 2 times negative 1, which equals take away 2, negative 2. Simplify then means bring together like terms. So we've got 3x plus 10x plus 12 take away 2. Really careful to keep the signs with each term. So we've got 13x's, 3x plus 10x, and then 12 take away 2 is 10, still positive. So the answer will be 13x plus 10. The next one's asking us to expand and simplify again, so we're going to multiply out, but this time it's a double bracket. There are lots of methods for this, and if you've got a favourite method that you like using, great. I prefer to use a grid just so that I can see all the sums that I'm doing in a nice logical way, but there are tons of ways you can do these. The only thing you've got to be careful of with the grid or anything else is that when you've got a takeaway, then you write it as negative 4. So here we're multiplying out, so we've got 2x's times x, which makes 2x squared, then we've got x times 1, which is 1x, then we've got negative 4 times 2x, or negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, but we've got the x, and negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So we bring together like terms, so we've got x take away 8x, which is negative 7x, so we've got to bring all those together, and from here then we get 2x squared take away 7x, take away 4. So the final answer will be 2x squared, take away 7x, take away 4. And the last part of the question is talking about factorizing. So factorize means put the expression back into brackets. Now we choose, the choice is single bracket. So for a single bracket, you must have a highest common factor to all terms. Double bracket, no highest common factor to all terms. Well, in this case we don't, so our choice is single bracket. The highest common factor is going to be 3y, and therefore we're going to do 6y squared divided by 3y. Well, that's going to be 2y, and then we're going to do 9xy divided by 3y, and that's going to be 3x. So the answer will be 3y bracket 2y minus 3x. And we should check 3y times 2y, 6y squared. 3y times negative 3x is negative 9xy. So our check is correct, so we can be happy. So our answer will be 3y, 2y minus 3x. So basically we've got to find the highest common factor when it's a single bracket factorization, and we can find the highest common factor to all terms. So therefore we divide each term by the highest common factor, and that tells us what's left to go inside the bracket. And that's a bit of algebra manipulation.